So now we are on the yellow spot, and you can practice yellow balls from this side in this pocket, and from this side. Both sides are available to practice yellow ball in that pocket, and both are very important. Most of the time you get these spots. Again, if you have not seen the video of setup, how to set up angles expert, make sure you watch the video of angles expert. Then place your white ball your on the yellow spot, because this is the red line is sitting on the yellow spot, the red dot. And make sure you place your white ball on the your yellow ball on that spot, and then start practicing. Make sure you pot 10-20 pots from this pot, and then 10-20 pots from this one, or 30, maybe 40-50, depending. Be harsh on yourself when you are practicing on potting angles. You have to be tough on yourselves. So after this you move to the next pot, and then you can increase the difficulty level. And make sure you practice on this side, and then you can practice the yellow ball also in the middle pocket. So now set your this line again, angles expert, in the center of the middle pocket. Place your yellow ball again on the red dot, which is in the center of this red line. Make sure it is all set. If it's not sitting on the spot, then you can always go and see the setup video, and it will show you how you can set it up in the center of this dot. And once you are done, make sure you start practicing from shot 1. And once you are done with this one, you practice on this one. Make sure you do 30-40 pots on this one, 30-40 pots on this one, then move to this one, difficult level, and then move to difficult level. But 40-50 shots is nothing in snooker. So make sure you do a lot of practice with this angles expert, and you will start learning and enjoying it more and more and more every single day. And it will be getting easier for you, and you will think, okay, let's do it more and more. And once in the game, you'll get in potting angles, you'll get a recognition. This is 10 times faster angles recognition gadget ever in the history of snooker, and I'm sure you will love it. So if you got any questions, make sure you keep potting these balls, doing this practice. If you got any questions, make sure you send me a WhatsApp message or leave me a voicemail or email. I'll get back to you. And thanks for purchasing Angles Expert.